Hi, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Do you want an enchanting recipe for your tea time? Well, here it is, cherry cake. Let's get started. You need half a cup of butter and half a cup of sugar. Whisk this well until it's light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the sides. It's time to add eggs. You'll add one egg at a time. Mix it well for about 20 seconds after adding each egg. Now for the dry ingredients, 1.5 cups of cake flour. You can substitute Maida by replacing 3 tablespoons with 3 tablespoon cornflour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. A pinch of salt. Mix it well and sift it 2 times. And now to the wet ingredients, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of milk, and mix it well. Now transfer half of the dry ingredients and mix it gently. Now add the remaining dry ingredients and 1 tablespoon of milk and mix again. Mix only till it comes together. Do not overmix. Now transfer this to a greased and lined tin. Tap to remove any air bubbles. Top it up with 250 grams of cherry after removing the stones. Now in a 180-degree oven, bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Allow it to cool and dust it with some sugar powder before enjoying it. Do subscribe for more interesting videos. Until we meet again, be enchanted.